Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn chapter 15 verbs. Chapter 15 verbs. Verbs we are going to learn. Now, in your textbook, example are given. Meena goes to school every day. Birds fly in the sky. Babies cry when they are hungry. Here, words goes, fly and cry are doing verbs. They tell us what Meena, birds and babies do. They are called verbs. वो लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? मीना, birds and baby जो क्रिया वो लोग कर रहे हैं उनको आप लोग क्या बोलोगे? So it's called verbs. हाँ, जो खाना, रोना, goes वो क्या हुई? Verbs हुए. So they are telling about the verbs. Dear students, now write in your notebook chapter 15 verbs. So 3 things we have to remember when we are learning about verbs. A verb mainly tell us 3 things. 3 बात हमको याद रखनी है. Verb tell us what a person, animal or thing does. Verb tell us what a person, एनिमल और थिंग्स डज वो लोग क्या कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो मैंने यहाँ पर एग्जाम्पल लिखे हैं. द बॉय प्लेज इन द गार्डन. प्ले, प्ले क्या हुआ? खेलना. सो व्हाट बॉय इज डूइंग? प्ले. तो प्ले क्या हुआ? वर्ब, उसकी एक्शन हुई. ज्योति गोज टू स्कूल. ज्योति स्कूल जा रही है. गोज माने कि जाना, जा रही है. तो गोज वो उनकी एक्शन हुई. सो व्हाट अ पर्सन, एनिमल, थिंग्स डज वो लोग क्या कर रहे हैं. नाउ नेक्स्ट, वर्ब टेल अस व्हाट अ पर्सन, एनिमल और थिंग इज वो लोग क्या है. वर्ब टेल अस व्हाट अ पर्सन, एनिमल और थिंग इज वो लोग क्या है. नाउ मीना इज अ स्टूडेंट्स. मीना क्या है? स्टूडेंट्स है. सो इज यहां पर वर्ब बना. मिसिस वर्मा वॉज अ काइंड लेडी. वॉज लेडी है बट कैसी है? काइंड. काइंड एडजेक्टिव हुआ बट वॉज है, वो काइंड है. सो वॉज. सो दिस आर द हेल्पिंग वर्ब. नाउ नेक्स्ट, और important things. Verb tell us what a person, animal, thing has. उनके पास क्या है. Verb tell us what a person, animal और thing has. उनके पास कुछ होना. Tina have a new pencil. Here have, उसके पास new pet है. Sorry, Tina have a new pet. सो हियर पैट, उसके पास कुछ होना. पर्सन के पास, एनिमल के पास और थिंग के पास कुछ होना, तो उसको हम बोलेंगे वर्ब हैव. द डॉग हैज अ स्मॉल टेल. हैज है, स्मॉल टेल है. तो यहाँ पर हैज, हैव एंड इज, एम आर, इज एम आर, was were, has have. So these are the verb and you will write down in your notebook with the good handwriting. 3 things you have to remember while doing the verb. Now dear children, let's see in your textbook. Underline the verbs in these sentences. Here is the definition. The word which is tell us what a person, animal or thing does is known as a doing word or a verb. Animal, person और thing क्या कर रहे हैं, जो वर्ड बताते हैं, इट्स कॉल्ड अ डूइंग वर्ड और अ वर्ब. उसको क्या बोला जाता है? डूइंग वर्ड और अ वर्ब. सो नाउ लेट्स सी एक्सरसाइज इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक. अंडरलाइन द वर्ब्स इन दिस सेंटेंसेस. Eat your breakfast quickly. Eat माने कि खाने की बात की है. Eat खाना हुआ. My sister sings well. Sings. Action word. The dog barks at night. Barks. Children play in the park. Play. I swim in the evening. Swim. तैरना. Meena draws picture. Draws. Father drives a car. Drives. Grandma walks in the morning. Walks. Fatima often helps me in the kitchen. Helps. Next. The lion roars when it is angry. Roars. So this is the exercise A. Do in your textbook. Now let's see page number 51. I am are. I am is are. Am is are. Read these sentences. I am a dancer. The dog is very active. The chairs are new. See, the words am, is and are tell us I am or the dog, is or what the chairs are. वो लोग क्या है. They do not tell us what I, the dog and the chair are doing. वो लोग क्या कर रहे हैं वो नहीं बता रहे, बट वो लोग क्या है वो बता रहे हैं. Am, is and are also called verbs. वो भी क्या है, verbs है. Underline everyone. These are the verbs am, is and are. Now here similar word there are was, were, shall be and will be are the verbs. Was were वो past tense में आता है. Shall be and will be it is in future tense. So these are the verbs. Underline. Verbs also tell us what a person, thinks or animal is. Underline. Now exercise B. Underline the verbs in the following sentences. Verb को underline करना है. Is, am, are, was, were, shall be, will be. Monica is a good sister. Is. Meena and Veena are sisters. Are. The dress is gorgeous. Is. The baby is hungry. Is. Sachin is a good batsman. Is. The tree in the garden are tall. I am a student of class 3. Elephants are large animals. Are. Deer are timid animal. Are. Beena is my classmate. Is. Okay, now next is there. Mona has a new pen. We have a new pet. The word has and have tell us what Mona and we have a position. They do not tell us what Mona and we are doing. वो लोग बता नहीं रहे कि वो लोग क्या है, बट उनकी पोजीशन क्या है वो दिखा रहे हैं. ओके, वो लोग क्या है. नाउ और उनके पास क्या है. सी, अंडरलाइन द वर्ब्स इन दिस सेंटेंसेस. तनु हैज़ अ लॉन्ग हेयर. हैज़ है उसके लॉन्ग हेयर है. द डॉल हैज़ ब्लू आईज. हैज़. द चिल्ड्रन हैव न्यू टॉयज. हैव. मोनाली हैज़ अ न्यू ड्रेस. हैज़ है उसके पास. वीना एंड मनु हैव अ न्यू फ्रेंड. हैव. द रूम हैज़ मैनी विंडोज. हैज़. द बुक हैज़ इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी. हैज़. द स्पाइडर हैज़ 8 legs. हैज़. वी हैव अ हॉलीडे टुमारो. हैव. He has a little sister has. So underline this in your textbook. Now here let's see more verb. Okay, we have learned about verb which have only one word. एक ही word था. Now let's us read some sentences where the verbs is made more than 2 words. 2 से ज़्यादा word बनते हैं. Abhi is playing in the park. Verb is playing made of 2 words. Is तो है ही, but playing क्या हुआ उसका खेलना. It's helping verb and it's verb. The train will be reaching the station at 4 p.m. Will be reaching, will be reaching, these two. So we will know compound word more than one word. Now let's see in your textbook. Underline the verbs in the following sentences. The stars are shining in the sky. Are shining. We are doing our homework. Are doing. Vineet and Vishal are reading books. My grandfather is walking in the garden. Is walking. I am feeling hungry. I am feeling. The baby is crying. Is crying. The telephone is ringing. Is ringing. The plane will be arriving soon. Will be arriving. They have called me today. Have called. Tina has found her pet. Has found. I have. The soldiers are marching down the road. Are marching. So this exercise we will do in your textbook with the pencil. Good morning dear students. Page 54 English grammar. Page 54 English grammar. Grade 3rd. Now here tell us what they are doing with the help of words given in the box below. Now here they have given helping word. Are riding, are flying, are dancing, are laughing. So here pictures are already given to you and you will fill this blank help of box. The boys are playing. We have to find out the helping verb from this box only and we will write here. Jyoti and Ragini are dancing. So with the help of word you will fill this blank in your textbook. In your textbook. I have written here all the answers. So you will write down in your notebook, textbook with the good handwriting. Page number 55. Page 55. It is your HW. Write yourself with the help of box in your textbook. I have written answer, but you will write down yourself with the help of box. Now, page 56, filling the blanks with the words from the box. Here, words are given and we have to blank this field with the help of these words. Now here, the boys play in the garden. Mohini is singing. We have to write help verb, action word. I always come to school. I have eaten my dinner already. 5th, the washerman washed our clothes. The baby was smiling when it showed me. Rohan is drawing a picture. I do my homework on time. The girls are skating outside. We will reach the ground at p.m. Raj helps his father to wash the car. They have walked to meet the principal. Now next, G. Find out the 8 verbs from these word grid. Now, I have given 2 example. This is your homework. Do in your textbook. So talk, read. Now another 3 words you find out yourself and make it box. Thank you.